Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use wireless power sharing or reverse charging on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus smartphone. So there are two ways we can enable this feature. The default way is by going to settings, then scrolling down to battery menu in here, open it, and then scroll down to wireless power sharing. You can enable this feature by switching this toggle to the right, and you can also customize its settings by going into wireless power sharing settings, and here we can select the battery limit after reaching which we want the device to stop sharing its power. And now the other more convenient way is by swiping down the control center on our Samsung and then tapping the pencil icon, then select Add a Control. Then we're gonna have to scroll down to System Apps menu, which is right here, and then tap Wireless Power Sharing. And after adding wireless power sharing to your control center, tap down, and here you'll have it. Now, if you tap on this option, you'll be able to, as I mentioned before, rotate your device upside down and then place the other device that supports wireless charging. So, for example, your Galaxy Buds or any other smartphone with such that supports this feature, and you're gonna have to align it on top of your Samsung so that it catches the power flow, which is tricky sometimes. Let me check my Galaxy. Yeah, I think it's okay. So I know for sure that it can charge my Google Pixel, but for some reason they don't want to synchronize. So yeah, as I said before, it is quite tricky with the Samsung. I don't know why though. Okay, so like this, and as you can see, the other device is right now charging from our Samsung. And so yeah, that's basically how you enable this feature. Now let me put the Google Pixel aside, and this feature will be disabled once you leave this menu. And so yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.